every day, man, it's cold in these streets. Free all my bros that are locked down, man, I can't wait till I see them on their feet. I get busy every day, cause I'm trying to get this pay. This is bust down season, all you broke boys better flee.
Yo, it's YDG, welcome back to another video. Today I'm with JC and we're doing the what was it again?
I'll scoot the BB gun.
Yeah, try and I'll scoot the BB gun challenge. Obviously we've got, come.
Yeah.
We've got 2 backpacks there with 5 balloons on them. We can have 2 rounds. We've got the scooter there as well. So this is how it's gonna work. The first round, this scooter can go on 3 different drive modes in it. But we're not going to be using eco, we're only going to be using drive and sports. So the first round will be on drive, the second round will be on sports. And we each got 5 balloons strung off on backpacks. You have to try to scoot off, so it's a moving target in it. By the time you reach that end wall over there, that's it, you stop the shooting. Stop the shooting. Last time we had our semi-auto in it, but this time, automatic.
Obviously.
Fully auto.
2 jackets, 2 trousers. I ain't getting hurt. Last time I came second, but I'll watch that today.
I came third.
Different day.
I didn't have my P90. This time it's fully charged. This P90 is fully.
I will see.
Watch. So obviously I'm shooting first. Jacob's gonna be on the scooter. JC's gonna be on the scooter first. He's gonna try to outrun me, and let's see how many balloons I can shoot off his back by the time he reaches there. But obviously I start from here, from this line here, as you can see. He's gonna be starting from that pillar there.
Pick up some speed and
Pick up some speed.
Hey.
Make sure it's not driving.
No, it's not driving. Bro.
You're not going to pass me? Actually, I'm sure I'm going to pass this. As soon as you turn, that's it, I'll stop shooting.
If I end up in hospital, it's a mad thing, innit? Man, what's up my bum?
Cool. So,
That's all I started from here, yeah?
yeah, you start from there.
Bismillah. Ready, yeah?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Shit!
Fuck! I got 3 balloons. Oh my god. Hey, I missed that.
Alright, come, let's see your bum,
I missed it.
I'm rusting off my leg.
Guys, hey, listen. See this P90?
Hey, what's up?
Whoosh.
How many's gone?
3. I popped 2 off his
Man,
back.
rusting off my legs. Man, rusting off my legs.
Was it?
You're fucked.
Fucking imbecile.
No,
Now you will see them.
Big boy gun.
You see me?
Shit. You saying, what are you telling them?
No, me, yeah. I've been to a war in Ivory Coast. When I put in this gun, these gloves,
Smoke.
So you don't want to wear my jacket?
What?
So you don't want to wear my jacket?
I just want to protect.
Why you offering the jacket,
Oh, when
fam?
I'm gonna rust off his ass. Forget the balloons, I'm going for his ass.
Like you said.
Look at this guy. Man's going without the balloons. Man's helping the enemy and that man's giving him my jacket.
Listen, my legs.
Which one do you want?
Just one.
This is the heavy one.
I just needed to tighten on my leg. Like this.
Alright.
You saying bolo?
Me?
Yeah, fam. Ay.
And the fires.
Ay.
Will get to
Ay.
this.
Shoot.
Guys, watch me stirring it up. Watch this gang shit.
Oh, I just went straight.
So steady.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna give you like the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Look together.
You wrapped it. One. This guy is a shit shooter, fam.
Hey, was that? I forgot to give you touch.
No, but the way he was out. Huh? Because I'm standing here.
Hey, bro.
No, but look. When I was standing and I was shooting, that's why I had to wait.
What happened?
There.
But you got you on your arm.
I was aiming at the cars. That's why I waited so long until starting to shoot.
Well, looks like Jan's the winner.
I'm not like those people on my mom's lap, it hurts her.
Fuck.
One hit me here, one hit me here.
How can I hit you there? You what?
I don't know. So this is round 2, sports mode, isn't it?
From here, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I'll give the countdown then.
Yeah. Alright, cool. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Are you running out of bullets?
Yeah. Fuck. How many did that burst?
1.
1. Fuck. Guys, I got 3 the last round. This one I got 1 only, but I think I run out of bullets, that's why. Well, it's calm. The P90 does its justice.
No, you were still lacing me when I was at the end, fam.
Yeah, you ran out of bullets, man.
This guy was still lacing me at first. Here you go. We'll just add this one in here.
So we don't even need the other 10.
Yeah.
Well, we can do round 3 innit? If you want to. We can do round 3.
Fuck it.
Alright, let's go.
God. Fuck off.
1 again.
Yes. Hey, you know what? Yeah. Best out of 3, innit? Best out of 3. But the third round, only 4 balloons. Only 4 balloons. Best out of 3. So guys, this is the final round, but we're only using 4 balloons. So round 1 was to me. Round 2 was to me. Round 3 is to me.
Now hold on. Round 2, you got 1, I swear.
Did I get 1 round 2?
You got 1, bro.
Shit, oh, there's 1.
You lot both got 1. Yeah, he's cheating.
Round 1 was to me. Round 2, it was a draw.
Yes.
Round 3, boy, is going to be to me. Fuck, I only got 1 balloon last round. We're only going to be using 4 balloons for this round, didn't we?
Car coming.
After that.
Shit. He ready. I say no more.
I'm ready.
Alright, cool. 3, 2, 1, go. Fuck.
1 again. 1.
Ah, bro, what happened?
In total, how many is that? I got 5 balloons in total. Fuck.
Bro, did you run out of bullets again, fam?
This is so hard.
You got 1, you got 1.
Yeah, you got what? Bro, my trousers were low. I got it off.
So guys, this is what's gonna happen. I won the first round. We drew the second round. And if JC managed to win the third round, if he managed to win the third round, if he manages to win the third
Yeah.
somehow we're gonna do a 4th round, innit? We're gonna do the tiebreaker round. But obviously, that's not gonna happen.
Alright, let's
That's
get it.
if he manages to win this one.
If I only get 1, you win.
Yeah. If you only get 1 balloon, if you
So
draw
I need to
again.
get 2 balloons.
Shit.
Oh shit, where's my balloons?
What's that? This thing.
Guys, this is scary, but these bullets hurt.
fully automatic.
I don't know what's going on, fam. My hay fever's acting up again.
Shit.
So where's this guy going?
How's he going?
Wait, where's my helmet?
That's it. What you saying? You're not ready, yeah? Alright, cool.
You ready?
3, 2, 1, let's go.
What am I hitting, fam?
Bro, this guy is shit. This guy is shit, fam. Hey, bro, go home. He didn't get shit. You didn't get shit, fam. This guy is. This guy is too shit, fam.
I'm the winner.
Yeah, that's the winner.
Guys, anyone out there who wants to challenge the king, the shooter,
Hey, yo, fam. Hey, yo, fam. Yo, hey, yo, fam. Hey, what's good, fam? Hey, young, fam. Hey, yo, fam.
that P that.
Wait. Let me try one round with this. So we're doing a bonus round for you lot. Cameraman said he wanted to shoot. Man, don't play with guns. Go on, go. Stop.
Blood. What you know about me, though?
Chill out, put on safety, man. You
That's
fucking
not
take it.
safety, innit? What you know about me? How many was that?
Two.
Aye, listen. There's only 3 minutes.
Listen, cameraman got to show JC how to do it. Sound
Trust, tryna find myself a real queen. But Tatiana bust it open for a real G. I caught M in the booth, car kill beats. And I keep my head low in these cold streets. But who knows, I might go for the summer. Might grab 1, 2, gyal or another. And I can swear on my mothers. No homo, but I will bust for my brother.